Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make chicken curry from the Puliadi's kitchen. This chicken curry is a great recipe. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe when you make this. This simple chicken curry is one of my favorite recipes. We are going to make a semi-dry chicken curry today and it requires very few ingredients. Let's see what all ingredients we need for this recipe today. We need 2.5 pounds of washed and cleaned chicken pieces. I am going to use Shakti brand chicken masala powder. You can use any masala powder you have at home, but I really recommend you to use the Shakti brand chicken masala powder for this recipe. We need 2 onions, red or yellow. I am using red onions today and I have chopped them and kept. I am going to use 2.5 pounds of chicken pieces today. We need 1 bunch of cilantro, 10 pods of garlic, little bit of ginger. Chop them fine and keep it. 4 tablespoons of Shakti chicken masala powder, 4 green chilies finely chopped. We need water and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. We need oil, jeera, turmeric powder and fennel seeds. Let's learn how to make it now. Switch on the stove on medium flame and add 4 tablespoons of oil to this. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of jeera, half teaspoon of fennel seeds and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the onions to this now. The more onions you use, the chicken tastes better for this recipe. Cook the onions for 4 to 5 minutes until it changes its color. Add 1.5 tablespoons of salt, or you can add salt according to your taste. Add the chopped ginger and garlic to this now. You can use garlic and ginger paste, but I recommend using fresh garlic and ginger. Add the chopped green chilies and the chopped cilantro to this. Mix it well and cook until the raw smell goes away. You can add 4 tablespoons of Shakti brand chicken masala powder. We are using very few ingredients in this recipe, but the curry turns out really delicious. The fresh aromatic spices really adds flavor to this curry. We are going to make a semi-dry curry, so we are going to add only 1 cup of water to this now. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. You can add the chicken pieces to this now. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. After it comes to a boil, you can close the lid and cook for 30 minutes. Every now and then, you can open the lid and stir it well so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. After checking, you can close the lid and let it cook. After 30 minutes, you can open the lid. Mix it well and cook for another few minutes until the curry thickens. Once the curry is thickened, you can switch off the stove. Leave the chicken in the pot for an hour and close it so it gets all the flavor from the curry. Garnish with some cilantro and your chicken curry from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. You can eat this chicken curry with plain white rice, pulao, rotis, bread, naan, etc. This easy, flavorful and spicy chicken curry is my all-time favorite, and I am sure when you try this recipe, you're going to love it. This recipe is really good for beginners because it really uses very few ingredients and the taste is really good. So try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family. Thank you.